family, you are warmly welcome to our channel. In case today is your first time tuning into our channel and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Here we teach about herbs. We give you the secret of herbs. We teach you how you can use herbs to solve your day-to-day problem. Anything that you want to manifest into physical realm, how you can use herbs to manifest your heart desires, how you can use herbs to get what you want, to make your wish come true. That's what we teach here. We give you the full details of herbs, the secret which has been kept for long. We decode it and let you know. Then you practice it yourself, you do it yourself, and you get positive results. Today our teachings is about how you can get your ex back, your partner back, your wife back, your girlfriend back, your boyfriend back. Whoever you were in a relationship with and the person has just left you for no reason, or with just a flimsy excuse, the person has left you or wants to leave you. How you can use white kola nut to make the person come back, to get the person back into your life, is what I'm about to teach right now. In fact, it is super powerful. It works like magic. Maybe you are a man and your partner has left you, or are you a woman and your husband say he does not need you anymore. Now he wants to leave you. Now he wants to dump you for someone else. Just try this one out and the person will just love you like never before. You will experience great love. Too much love. It is super powerful. It is simple but mighty. First of all, let me remind you this. My teachings here is not based on any religion. So if you are a Christian, you can do it. If you are Muslims, you can do it. Voodoo, you can participate in it. Hindu, whoever, or Buddha, whatever religion that you are in, you can do the rituals or the remedies, the spells that I am teaching here every now and then. In fact, I give you the super powerful remedy. Get yourself one big white kola. This is the materials needed for this particular love remedy that will get your partner back into your life. Get yourself one big white kola nut. Then get shea butter. Then get salt. But the salt must be bought from a fair woman. When you go to the market to buy the salt, make sure you get the salt from a fair woman. That is what you need, a salt from a fair woman. Then get yourself the lowest currency of your country. Yes, in your country, the lowest currency, get that money. That is one big white kola nut. Then you get salt, shea butter, and the lowest currency of your country. The materials needed are aforementioned. That's what we are going to do with the materials, the procedure. You rub the shea butter on the white kola nut. Rub the shea butter on the white kola nut. Then you rub the salt also on the white kola nut. Now, join the lowest currency of your country to the white kola nut. Now it's about time you start praying. You say your heart desire over the direction. You say your heart desire over the spell that you are casting. So you have to make sure that whatever you are saying is positive, because you are going to experience it. It is super powerful. It works. You are going to get them all in your relationship. So make sure you say positive things. You will mention the name of the person that you want to get his or her love 3 times. So assuming I'm doing this to gain the love of Abigail, so I am mentioning Abigail's name 3 times before saying my heart desires. Abigail, Abigail, Abigail. I want you to fall deeply in love with me. Abigail, from today onwards, I want you to do my heart desire. I want you to do as I say. I want you to obey me. I want you to be under my command. I want you to fall head over heels in love with me. No one will have you again. I want you to love me forever. Yes, you will be mine forever. Then you say your prayers. Say it according to what you want to experience in your relationship. So make sure you say positive things. I said make sure you say positive things, because whatever you are saying is going to happen. Whatever you say during the process, you are going to experience it. It's no joke. It works wonders. It is super powerful love remedy. So try it out and experience the power of nature. Experience the wonders of nature. Experience the good vibes that the nature have for us. In fact, try it out and you are going to give a testimony. I want you to say positive things, because whatever you are saying, you are going to experience it. So when you are just saying out your heart desire, say what you like and what you prefer, what the thing that when it comes into your relationship you will be happy with. Yes, it is super powerful. It works like magic. But let me tell you this before I forgot. If you want to do this particular direction, it must be done on Monday or Wednesday or Friday. This direction can be done only on Monday or Wednesday or Friday. These 3 days are the day that you can do this direction. It is super powerful. It works wonders. It works like magic. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I would like you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like and share this video for the video to reach others, for the video to go viral. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come to this platform and watch herbal teachings and get the secret of herbs. Here we decode the secret of herbs to our viewers so that they can also benefit from it. Don't benefit alone. Try to explode the message. Try to propagate the message, the good news that you are getting here to others, for them to benefit from whatever I am teaching here. Thank you once again for watching the video till the end. Thank you. See you next time in my next